guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Whiff Box from Scentsy, which is my monthly subscription. And inside, there's always like a little booklet with some kind of activity. So this is making ornaments, it looks like, 3D ornaments. That's pretty cute. Ooh, so last December we got a little bitty buddy and it was a gnome. And this year we got a narwhal. That's adorable, with the Very Merry Cranberry scent. Ooh, that smells lovely. The kids are gonna fight over this. If I could get it out. He's so cute. Oh, I love it. It's got a little star there. How adorable. Love it, love it, love it. It smells very nice. Also have a sample washer whiffs in the fragrance clothesline and laundry liquid with the clothesline scent. And then several bars. We have Black Forest Pine. I bet that smells good. Oh yeah, that's a good Christmas tree smell. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my warmer now since it's almost Christmas. Then we have Best in Snow, which is a light blue. I feel like I smell a little bit of a peppermint in there, so that one's good. Then the last bar is maraschino sugar cookie. Oh buddy, I bet that smells good. Oh yeah, that's lovely. I like that one a lot. And then a Mighty Pine 3D scent circle. I was about to say, is that 2 in there? But I guess it's not. Oh, okay. It's got the slit in it, so you take the other side and stick it in there so it's 3D. That's cool. I didn't know they made those, and I'm gonna put this in my car right now since it's pine scented. So that's what I got this month. I got a scent circle, my little buddy, 3 bars, no tester samples, but some laundry samples. So if you guys would like to sign up for a Whiff Box, I'll put all the information below and the link to the girl that I use. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.